While scraping itself has become easier, scaling is becoming more challenging. And the reality is most of these AI-powered scraping solutions don't scale well, at least not yet, right? And a huge underline on the not yet. At small scales, these tools are really a nice, frictionless way. They work seamlessly. You can look at the many YouTube tutorials for web scraping with AI posted in the past year. You can scrape a page, you can extract data points just by prompting them in English and other languages that you use. But once you increase the volume, the real difficulties emerge. Suddenly you'll be dealing with like rate limiting, CAPTCHAs, IP bans, sessions persistence, infrastructure costs, all those, So to be clear, AI assisted scraping, they won't remain a small scale solution forever. We are really seeing how these spam-power tools are starting to integrate features that's more sophisticated to tackle the scaling aspect. They are adding session management, they're adding browser management, they're adding proxy handling, but for now, they still don't scale that well. So for now, aside from prompting, you likely need to juggle and you do your own maintenance, right? But I do expect some Red Queen effect to apply to this dynamic. Anyone who can commoditize scraping will eventually capitalize on scaling.